this will be an unboxing of the Eirmai Multipurpose Cleaning Kit. Okay, it's well packed in a plastic bag. It contains the lens pen, a blower, and a cleaning cloth. Okay, microfiber cleaning cloth. Let's arrange that so it looks fine, pleasant. Okay, so this is the lens pen. That part gets off fingerprint from the lens, from the glass, and this one is to dust off the brush off the dust. I mean, just like that, just like that. And if you can see fingerprints on the glass, you can use the other side. That's it. Okay, so this is the lens blower. It has a cap, so it won't accumulate dust on your bag if it's inside your bag. So it will be used for hard to reach areas where the brush can't reach. Yeah. Okay. Make sure to put the cap back on, and clean cloth to clean. Yep. Okay, with regards to the blower, just a reminder to watch that thing. Yep. Because I saw a picture of a sensor, a mirrorless camera. Its sensor got damaged when part of the blower went off and hit the sensor. So yeah, it will be a very expensive repair. If at any point you can see it from coming apart from its original position, make sure to push it inward. So yeah, just to make sure it won't fly to your sensor. I think that's it.